Welcome to another Tech Tuesday, an online whiteboard review of Miro. This presentation is brought to you by the NM Delt team, which is a project of Propel. Today we will be reviewing Miro. Miro is a whiteboard that allows teams to collaborate interactively. When using Miro, there are several templates that a person can utilize, depending on the need and the project that is being completed. There are several different types of template that a person can browse through. Searching templates by use case allows you to look at different designs that would help with your project. Additionally, you can have a quick glance look at what each of these templates would provide. If you do not see your template immediately, you can also look at the search templates and search by the category, company, or even name. The toolbar for Miro is pretty extensive. From the toolbar, you can still access all of your templates if you have created a blank whiteboard. It also allows for sticky notes to be placed. This is great for individual activities and interaction to help organize thoughts and ideas that come during a conference or a project meeting. Additionally, a person can add text boxes throughout the page to make sure that a variety of writing tools are being used and to adapt to any other needs that maybe a sticky note would not work with. Design and creativity of the shapes options allows for a better flow work if using, say, a mind map or a brainstorming idea where you need to see a flow of ideas and how they relate to each other. These shapes can be a variety of different sizes to make sure that the flow of your organizational piece is there and meets the needs of your project. The markup section allows for a free draw with a variety of colors and thickness in your writing utensil. Any materials that have been written on the whiteboard can be put into a frame. Now, this frame can be adapted to different styles and allows users to be able to look and see specific elements in a given place. For additional graphics, there are the stickers, emojis, and GIFs that are able to be put into your whiteboard frame. These can help with amplifying your thoughts and ideas and make sure that you are on the right track or to collaborate with different ideas and thoughts that sometimes need to be expressed through images. And lastly, you can add comments. When using Miro, teams are able to create workspaces and have a place to collaborate in a group online setting. Additionally, people can find workspaces with other Miro members. These could be spaces that are either in the same domain or have the same tags as your existing Miro workspace. There are also a variety of templates that meet several different needs, so reinventing the wheel is not always something that you have to think about. Using Miro can be adapted for any environment. It works for online settings as well as in-person or asynchronous meetings. And lastly, there is creative liberty when looking at Miro. Some of the things to think about when looking at Miro as a working space is that there is definitely a learning curve. It does take time to understand some of these features and be able to use them effectively. With the basic account, you are only allotted 3 boards at a time. So if you are needing a 4th board, you would need to delete one of your pre-existing boards, or it would become a view-only board, which would mean you would not be able to edit it unless you wanted to change that option for another board. There are also a variety of options which can sometimes become overwhelming trying to figure out which template would be the best or which tool would be most effective in the given situation.